Hello friends. I am now going to talk you through the work that you should do on Monday, March 30th, okay? The first thing I have for you is your Bible verse worksheet. Please write out your Bible verse neatly, no sloppy pants. Put on your neat pants. Throw away the sloppy pants. And write out your Bible verse in cursive neatly, and then draw and color a picture about the Bible verse. But remember, do not draw Jesus. The next thing I have for you is a spelling worksheet. You should say the word out loud, spell the word out loud, and then write the word neatly in cursive. Okay, so it should go like this. Climb. C-L-I-M-B. Climb. And then you would write down climb in cursive. And then you move on to word number 2. Bubble. B-U-B-B-L-E, bubble. Write down bubble neatly in cursive all the way through the whole packet. Not packet, just the column. Then when you're done with that, alphabetize your words and then write them out again, but this time you can choose if you would like to write in print or if you would like to write in cursive. Doesn't matter to me as long as it's neat. And then make sure you circle all of the hard C words in the right column. And then that's all you have to do for spelling for Monday. Next, you should review your grammar chants in your reference book. It's the orange pages in your reference book. You can either just read them through all by yourself, or I have a video posted of me doing the grammar chants all by myself, you guys. You weren't here to help me. If you want to play that and then do your grammar chants with me via video, you could do that. I will post a video about how to do the sentences, how to label the sentences, and how to do the verbs, the verb tenses. I'll do a separate video about that for you, but the rest is all review, so you should be able to do that on your own. Then you should read a chapter from On the Banks of Plum Creek. Read chapter number 1. You can go watch my video that I did that introduces On the Banks of Plum Creek if you would like. It's just the next book in the Laura Ingalls Wilder series. We last read Little House on the Prairie. This is the next book after Little House on the Prairie. Really fun adventures happen in this book, you guys. Get excited. Okay, for math, you should do your 100 addition facts in 5 minutes or less. If you reach a new goal, I sent stickers home, and your parents can give you a sticker if you get 100% in the quickest time that you've ever done. Then you should do lesson 79. Your parents can help you with side A if you need help with side A, but then you should be able to do side B. Oops, I have side B somewhere else. You should be able to do side B all by yourself because it's all review. I will post a video about Roman numerals, and you could watch that if you want to, or you can just ask Mom and Dad for help. Next, you should do some history. If you have your history workbook, go to page 85, read that as a sound off, and then read about the Great Seal of Idaho on pages 86 and 87. If you don't have your history workbook, I have copies in the packet for you, so you could just read those. It's more fun to do it in the workbook though, so if you have your workbook, go ahead and use that. And then for science, you should read your reptile sound off and the reptile and amphibian study notes. I have in the packet, I have the amphibian sound off there too. You don't have to read that, but you can if you want to. Eventually you'll have to read it because we're gonna study amphibians too. And then you should read about, so I have the sound offs here, so make sure you read this one for sure. And then read this one for sure, and then read about the western skink, answer the questions in cursive neatly, and then color your western skink. You're gonna have to find a picture of it. Ask Mom and Dad how you should find a picture of the western skink. I'll let you know that he has a bright blue tail, and I will post another video about the western skink and a fun lizard story about me when I was a kid running around chopping off tails of lizards. But I'll tell you that in a different video. Okay, guys, that is it for Monday. Work hard, and I will see you sometime.